TGS has access to paper files from millions of wells, containing a wealth of information, such as the presence of directional surveys, production data, etc. However, with all of this information, it's inaccessible today except by explicit human review, because these files exist only as scanned images of paper files. This prototype demonstrates how information contained in those files can be brought online and made searchable in very user-friendly ways. So, if you can use Google Maps or search for an article using a search engine, you can use geotag. Here we see the wells and states and counties that have been extracted so far, and there's more coming in an easy-to-navigate map. We can also use very specific search terms to locate this well in the state of Texas and the county Montauk. After clicking search, we can view all of the wells in this county. This tag cloud shows us through word analysis what words are most frequently used across all the documents in this well. Because data like this is digital and searchable, other types of visual displays can also be created to review and present information. Navigation inside the well and documents is easy. For example, if we want to see P4 forms for this well, click on this link. From these two documents now shown, you can click into the details of either of those. Clicking on the name takes us to the document viewer where the original image is shown. The document viewer allows you to search on this image for text. For example, as you type in certificate, the system finds all places in the document where the word certificate appears. You can also just browse the well files by clicking Next and Previous, the little triangles at the top, to view other documents for this well. Another way to navigate and find documents through wells is to conduct a Google type search. As you type in, the system shows all the wells and specific documents in the wells that contain the word form, just as you type, like an active Google search. Clicking on the name will bring up the specific document that was chosen from the search results. Since the process is not expected to be 100% accurate, the system allows for human review and revision of the metadata associated with these documents, such as county, operator, field names, etc. This is just a small sample of fields in the current prototype. More can be added as we incrementally mine the well files. Instead of just modifying the tag, the system also allows us to modify the rules themselves. The rules actually rely on finding specific text strings in different parts of the page, such as the top, middle, and bottom. By clicking on the blocks, a rules administrator can now see how the blocks are laid out on the page and what strings are contained in each block. Then the rules can be modified. The rule system is very simple but powerful. You specify what strings should appear in specific blocks and their contribution to a confidence of certain tag for this document. Once you have created a rule, you may test and view the results in a single document or a whole set of documents. Clicking the name of the document shows you the original file. And if these results look good, select Tag and apply the rules to your wells. And if you just received a new document, you can add one anytime. And as soon as they are added, all the OCR processing and tagging with these rules kicks in, and the documents are searchable and added to the database. And if at any time you want to see the entire set of data in the system, you can click on the stats and it will show you precise contents. For example, for Texas, it shows that there are X number of permits, etc. Paper to digital, archive and find, define and refine, built specifically for TGS.